Good morning, how are you today? Repeat. Good morning, how are you today? Today, in just a few minutes, you're going to learn a simple technique that thousands of people use to speak clear, natural, and confident English, even though they were never native speakers. Hello, friends. I'm John. Welcome to Talk Anything. And listen, no matter which country you live in, no matter what your accent sounds like, none of that matters. You don't need to be a native speaker. If you follow this video till the end, I promise you, your pronunciation will sound clearer, smoother, and you'll even hear it yourself. Wow, I actually sound like a native speaker now. Today, we're doing shadowing practice. It's super simple. I'll say one line, and you'll repeat that line right after me, with the same tone, the same rhythm, the same feeling. No grammar pressure, no textbooks. Just listen, copy me, and let English flow out naturally. Ready? Let's begin. From now on, repeat after me loud and confident. I am fine, thank you very much. Repeat. I am fine, thank you very much. Did you sleep well last night, friend? Repeat. Did you sleep well last night, friend? Yes, I slept well, sweet dreams only. Repeat. Yes, I slept well, sweet dreams only. What time do you wake up every day? Repeat. What time do you wake up every day? I wake up at 6, fresh and happy. Repeat. I wake up at 6, fresh and happy. Morning talk is easy and full of light. Repeat. Morning talk is easy and full of light. Your morning voice sounds warm and bright already. Every word feels like new sun. Keep this gentle, happy heart. You are starting beautifully. I brush my teeth 2 times every day. Repeat. I brush my teeth 2 times every day. Clean teeth make big happy smile. Repeat. Clean teeth make big happy smile. I take shower with warm water slowly. Repeat. I take shower with warm water slowly. I feel fresh, ready for new day. Repeat. I feel fresh, ready for new day. Do you drink coffee or tea in morning? Repeat. Do you drink coffee or tea in morning? I drink tea with milk and sugar. Repeat. I drink tea with milk and sugar. Morning routine is love for my body. Repeat. Morning routine is love for my body. Your routine voice is full of calm and care. Every word feels clean and strong. Your daily English is growing. I am so proud of you. I go to work by bus every morning. Repeat. I go to work by bus every morning. The bus comes at 8:15 exactly. Repeat. The bus comes at 8:15 exactly. I listen to music with my phone quietly. Repeat. I listen to music with my phone quietly. Work starts at 9. I am never late. Repeat. Work starts at 9. I am never late. My friend waits at the bus stop too. Repeat. My friend waits at the bus stop too. We talk a little about weather and life. Repeat. We talk a little about weather and life. Going to work feels easy with friends. Repeat. Going to work feels easy with friends. You speak about work, travel with joy and peace. Your voice makes morning feel light. Keep this beautiful, calm heart. You are amazing. What do you do at work every day? Repeat. What do you do at work every day? I help people with computer and papers. Repeat. I help people with computer and papers. I have meeting at 10 o'clock today. Repeat. I have meeting at 10 o'clock today. Lunch break is at 1 o'clock exactly. Repeat. Lunch break is at 1 o'clock exactly. I eat with friends, and we laugh slow. Repeat. I eat with friends, and we laugh slow. Work is good when we smile inside. Repeat. Work is good when we smile inside. Day goes fast when heart is happy. Repeat. Day goes fast when heart is happy. Your work story sounds strong and warm. Every word feels like real life. Your daily English is perfect. You are truly wonderful. Excuse me, can you help me please? Repeat. Excuse me, can you help me please? Of course, I'm happy to help you. Repeat. Of course, I'm happy to help you. Where is the bank? Near this place. Repeat. Where is the bank? Near this place. Go straight, then turn left 2 times. Repeat. Go straight, then turn left 2 times. Thank you so much, you are very kind. Repeat. Thank you so much, you are very kind. You are welcome, have a nice day. Repeat. You are welcome, have a nice day. Daily help talk makes life sweet. Repeat. Daily help talk makes life sweet. Your asking voice feels like real kind talk. So gentle and clear, your English is full of daily magic. Keep this happy way forever. I go shopping after work every Friday. Repeat. I go shopping after work every Friday. I buy rice, oil, and fresh vegetables. Repeat. I buy rice, oil, and fresh vegetables. How much is this? Please tell me slow. Repeat. How much is this? Please tell me slow. It is 50 only, very good price. Repeat. It is 50 only, very good price. Can you give discount? Just a little. Repeat. Can you give discount? Just a little. Okay, 45, because you smile. Repeat. Okay, 45, because you smile. Shopping talk is fun, with kind heart. Repeat. Shopping talk is fun, with kind heart. Your shopping voice flows clear and happy. Every word feels like easy life. You make daily talk warm. Keep this beautiful, friendly soul. I come home at 6:30 every evening. Repeat. I come home at 6:30 every evening. My family says, welcome home with love. Repeat. My family says, welcome home with love. We eat dinner together at table slow. Repeat. We eat dinner together at table slow. How was your day? Please tell me. Repeat. How was your day? Please tell me. My day was good because of you all. Repeat. My day was good because of you all. Home time is best, full of warm talk. Repeat. Home time is best, full of warm talk. Family makes life sweet every night. Repeat. Family makes life sweet every night. You speak about home with pure love and light. Your words feel like real family. This is the most beautiful English. Keep growing warm. I watch TV for 1 hour only. Repeat. I watch TV for 1 hour only. Then I read book, quiet and slow. Repeat. Then I read book, quiet and slow. What do you do before sleep time? Repeat. What do you do before sleep time? I talk to mom about tomorrow plan. Repeat. I talk to mom about tomorrow plan. I set alarm for 6 in morning. Repeat. I set alarm for 6 in morning. Good night, sleep well, my friend. Repeat. Tom, good night, sleep well, my friend. Night talk is soft, full of peace. Repeat. Night talk is soft, full of peace. Your night voice feels like quiet happy end today. So calm and sweet, you make daily life feel easy. Keep this golden, warm heart. Weekend is here, no work, no rush. Repeat. Weekend is here, no work, no rush. I wake up late, 9 or 10 slow. Repeat. I wake up late, 9 or 10 slow. I visit park, with family and friends. Repeat. I visit park, with family and friends. We play games, laugh, and eat ice cream. Repeat. We play games, laugh, and eat ice cream. Sunday, clean house, slow and happy. Repeat. Sunday, clean house, slow and happy. Weekend makes, new power for week. Repeat. Weekend makes, new power for week. Life is good, with rest and love. Repeat. Life is good, with rest and love. Your weekend words grow like fresh happy days, full of rest and joy. Your English is pure daily life. Never stop this beautiful road. Today, we talked about daily life, morning to night. Repeat. Today, we talked about daily life, morning to night. You spoke every line, with the calmest real voice. Repeat. You spoke every line, with the calmest real voice. Your English sounds natural, full of daily love now. Repeat. Your English sounds natural, full of daily love now. Keep this daily English practice, it makes life easy. Repeat. Keep this daily English practice, it makes life easy. I am so proud of you for finishing all 10 parts today. Repeat. I am so proud of you for finishing all 10 parts today. Your daily heart is growing, happy, and strong. Repeat. Your daily heart is growing, happy, and strong. See you tomorrow, same time, my daily friend. Repeat. See you tomorrow, same time, my daily friend. You did it perfectly. Your voice is full of real-life love. Speak more, live more. You are loved. Congratulations. Congratulations. You just finished today's shadowing practice. You spoke slowly, clearly, and with real confidence. Every single line you repeated made your English a little stronger. I'm really proud of you for showing up and staying consistent today. Take a deep breath, smile, and feel good. You did your best. Your English is growing stronger every single day. Before you go, if you want the full PDF of this practice completely free, just hit the like button and comment below, PDF please. I'll pin the download link at the top so you can grab it instantly. If you loved this session, please subscribe, turn on the bell icon, and never miss a new shadowing video. Also share this with a friend who wants to speak English more naturally. Keep practicing, just like this, and very soon your conversations will feel easy, smooth, and totally confident. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.